Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to set window animation to fast mode. Go to settings and tap on the option developer options, and from here you need to open the drawing section. You can see this is networking section. Keep scrolling down, then you can see the option, the drawing section. You can see drawing section. So here you can see some animation options. So we need to set all animation to 0.5x. You can see window animation scale. Tap on this one and you have to select the option animation scale 0.5x. And this is for the transition animation scale. You have to select the option 0.5x. This is animator duration scale. You have to select the option 0.5x. So it will feel like a flagship speed boost. Simply in this way we can set the window animation to fast mode. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.